I'm from family in which our Jewish history, our Jewish identity, was kind of unspoken story, but it wasn't exactly unspoken because it was something which we really, I mean, we the children, we knew, we were. We knew that we are Jews. I can exactly remember the day when we were playing in the car. We were going to some kind of holiday with my friend, my sister, and in the front of the car was my father. He was driving the car, and his friend, also Jew, and we were playing. It was like some kind of I don't know. I think we were playing that we were supposing that this is war or something. And this my friend, he said, "You're raus," but he didn't know what does it mean. He just heard it somewhere, and my father. It was then it was silent, and my father said, "Hey, children, do you know what does it mean? A Jew?" Or Jews, and we said, no, we don't know. And he said, so we are the Jews. So it was, I could exactly remember, I was 5, my friend was also 5, and my sister was 3.5.